Hi Filipino learners! My name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to form questions using Alin. The Tagalog word alin means which in English, so you use it to ask questions when there are limited choices available. Today, I'm going to show you some examples of questions using the word alin. And just like I mentioned in my previous videos, there are several other ways that I'm not going to be able to cover in this single video. These are just some of the few examples that can help you get started and help guide you in forming your own questions in Tagalog. Most of the time, there will be an ang after alin. So let's say in English you want to say which one is, you start the sentence with alin ang. Halimbawa, alin ang akin? Which one is mine? Alin ang iyo? Which one is yours? Alin ang kulay itim? Which one is color black? Alin ang gawa sa metal? Which one is made of metal? Alin ang tamang sagot? Which one is the right answer? Very simple so far. Now, if there's going to be an action or verb, this is how we form the questions. Alin ang dinala niya? Which one did he or she bring? So this time, we still start our sentence with alin ang, and then the verb, dinala, followed by the doer of the action, because that is usually the sequence in Tagalog, correct? The verb goes before the actor. Isa pang halimbawa, alin ang pipiliin mo? Which one will you choose? Alin ang bibilhin ni Karen? Which one will Karen buy? Alin ang binigay mo sa kanya? Which one did you give him or her? If you look at our sentences, we used object-focused verbs in all of them. So take note of that when forming questions using alin. You use object-focused verbs. The reason behind that is when asking alin or which, the focus is not on the actor or doer of action. It's the object. So don't use actor-focused verb. Use object-focused verbs. Also, remember that when we are using object-focused verbs, the subject is not the actor. So for these three, where we used pronouns for the actors or doers of action, we didn't use subject pronouns. Instead, we used out of focus or non-subject. And for this one, we didn't use the subject marker si. Instead, we use an object marker, ni. By the way, if you're not quite familiar with all this, actor-focused verbs and object-focused verbs, I recommend that you watch my videos about the topic. I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video. First, what are comparative adjectives? These are adjectives used to compare two things. We use these to say that one thing demonstrates a higher degree of a quality than the other. One good example is the word bigger, or in Tagalog, that is mas malaki. Let us use that in our next example. Alin ang mas malaki? Which is bigger? Alin ang mas maganda? Which is nicer or which looks better? Alin ang mas maganda can also mean which is better. Like, for example, you're comparing movies or songs. If you're asking which of the two songs or two movies is better, you can also ask, Alin ang mas maganda? Next example, Alin ang mas mahal? Which is more expensive? Alin ang mas madali? Which is easier? As you can see on my examples, we start the sentences with alin, ang, followed by the comparative adjectives. Now, if we're comparing more than two things, we use superlative adjectives, correct? And it's the same. We just begin with alin ang and then the superlative adjective. Halimbawa, alin ang pinakamasarap? Which is the most delicious? Or which tastes the best? Alin ang pinakamabigat sa tatlo? Which is the heaviest of the three? Alin ang pinakamataas sa apat? Which is the highest among the four? Now, let us say you want to be specific. Halimbawa, you want to say, which shoes did he or she buy? So here you specify the object, shoes. Now in Tagalog, you say, aling sapatos. Sapatos means shoes. Aling sapatos ang binili niya? See the difference? We say aling with an ng at the end and then the object. Okay, so that's how you say that. More examples. Aling kwarto ang sayo? Which room is yours? Aling pantalon ang isusuot mo? Which pants will you wear? Aling pelikula ang pinanood ninyo? Which movie did you watch? Now, if the options are right in front of you or right with you, in English, you say, which of these, right? In Tagalog, you say, alin sa mga ito? Halimbawa, alin sa mga ito ang niluto mo? Which of these did you cook? If you look at the sentence, there is still the word ang after alin sa mga ito. Okay? Isa pang halimbawa, alin sa mga ito ang sayo? Which of these is yours? Alin sa mga ito ang gusto mo? Which of these do you like? Now, you will often hear alin dito instead of alin sa mga ito in conversations. So, these will be alin dito ang niluto mo, alin dito ang sayo, alin dito ang gusto mo. They're the same, alin dito and alin sa mga ito. Well, there you go. That's it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.